Guys, week 6 of our big house renovation in San Clemente. Excited to give you an update. I'm Holly McKhann, realtor, and my husband Scott, who's running and overseeing this whole job. And we've been gone on a 2-week vacation. So we're going to give you the update on what's happened while we're gone. So Scott, tell the people what's going on.
Well, it was super exciting to come home and see all the progress they made. First of all, in this, and we'll walk around and tour, but in this room, bedroom / office, they got the framing in, this big beam above. So space for a gigantic window, could be 14 feet wide.
Big opening, yeah.
You've got Dana Point, straight ahead, city lights, city, Catalina on the left, San Clemente Island, huge ocean view. It's just massive. The view is phenomenal. So coming this way, watch your step. They're starting to get the ceiling in over the great room. So we've got all these rafters up. It's not sheeted yet on top. Some of them are a little bit spaced a little bit extra wide. We're gonna have skylights in here. We're gonna have 5 skylights in this space. If you turn around, again, this, why don't you back up, Moana? This is gonna be a 18-foot wide opening pocket door. So from that post all the way, it'll open all the way and slide into a pocket here, completely disappear, with a deck out here and just gigantic view. You've got
pretty exciting.
Big window over here in the family room. You've got the roof coming together, ceiling coming together. This is going to be the kitchen area with a pantry back behind that wall. And one thing we decided to do, we probably talked about it before, is we decided to extend the kitchen out 6 more feet beyond. So that 6 feet of kitchen and a family room is all cantilevered, which means that there's no support underneath it. It overhangs the wall. The wall is 6 feet back and that overhangs. So that's really exciting. And again, from like we're putting a kitchen sink out there. You have phenomenal ocean view, Dana Point view. It's
What
awesome.
are these diagonal pieces of wood here for?
Those are called braces. What they do is when they frame the wall, they get it just right level and plumb, vertical, and then they nail it in. So that's to keep it and maintain it vertical. Once all the plywood gets on and other pieces of hardware and things get connected and on, then it stays vertical, but right now it's temporarily held up by those.
What's all this plywood on the outside for?
That's just for strengthening that wall. So this space in here is going to have some vaulted to it, not a lot, but some. We're actually going to run a soffit, so a little frame in a little space there, vertical in there, and we're going to run heating and air conditioning ducting in that space because this house is really complex engineering wise. There's lots of beams. We can't just be cutting beams and stuff, so we have to create space to run the AC ducts.
Okay.
This is going to be dining room over here. We've probably seen that before. This is dining room. Another thing is that the stairs got in. So we've got stairs now that go up to the master and down to the lower floor. They framed in a wall here, but we're going to get rid of that. I want to be able to see into the stairs from the dining, and it will make the stairs less enclosed and claustrophobic if it's more open. And you can get more light into them also.
Nice, yeah.
So we should probably go upstairs to the master. So you get in, the master door into the master bedroom will be here. You'll be able to go out there and up a set of stairs to a rooftop deck over the garage. Just watch your step. The elevator comes up here. The door will be on this side. So there'll be a wall here, a bed wall. Enrique, can you stop for just a sec? Just a sec. So this is the master. The bed wall will be here. Again, beautiful window, huge window. And then there'll be a slider over here to a balcony, which is awesome. And this house is really high, and the ground slopes away. So when you're out here on any of these decks, it feels like you're on top of the world.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice view.
Yep. Let's go to the bathroom and closet real quick. So getting into the bathroom, you go here. There'll be a vanity there. The master shower will be here. Tub here. A second vanity over there. One thing that I designed into this house is, because the view is so good there, I've designed a opening or window from the bathroom into the bedroom so that you can see through when you're taking a shower or in the tub. You can see through and see the great view. So Holly was kind of opposed to that idea, but I think I prevailed on this one.
We'll see.
So, and then coming in here to the closet, we have a washer dryer closet here, a little toilet room over here, and then this is the master closet.
And you have a window in it?
Yes, I have two windows in it. I have a small one up there to let in some light and ventilation, and then another window here.
And there'll be some skylights in here too?
There'll be a skylight or two in here. Yeah, two skylights actually.
Yep.
Yep.
That's a pretty big window.
It's actually, we're going to raise it. It's going to be 4'7" high.
Oh,
so it's more,
okay.
a little more private.
Okay.
So yeah, it's
Clever.
coming up.
Well,
Yep, so
that's the latest progress.
yep, we're super excited.
Catch you on the next one.